Online marketing, also known as digital marketing or internet marketing, has become an essential component of any successful business strategy in today's digital era. Marketing strategies that were once solely focused on traditional forms of advertising such as print, television, and radio have now shifted towards online platforms due to the exponential growth in internet usage worldwide. Online marketing strategies are designed to promote products or services and drive customer engagement through various digital channels. These strategies encompass a wide range of tactics, including search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, and paid advertising, among others. The main objective of online marketing strategies is to increase brand visibility, attract and retain customers, and ultimately boost sales and revenue. With the ever-increasing reliance on technology and the internet in our daily lives, it is imperative for businesses to effectively utilize online marketing strategies to reach their target audience and stay competitive in the market. Internet marketing strategies. Content marketing. Content marketing is a strategy that falls under the broader umbrella of digital marketing, specifically online advertising and marketing strategies. It involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a specific target audience. The goal of content marketing is to establish a solid online presence and build trust and credibility with potential customers. Content marketing can take many forms, including articles, blog posts, videos, infographics, and social media posts. It is especially beneficial for small businesses looking to enhance their internet marketing strategy. By providing useful and informative content, businesses can position themselves as industry experts and foster meaningful relationships with their audience. Social media platforms also play a crucial role in content marketing as they provide a platform for businesses to share their content and engage with their target audience. Overall, content marketing is an integral part of any successful online marketing strategy. Email marketing. Email marketing is a vital aspect of digital marketing strategies and involves the use of email to promote products and services. To make the most out of email marketing, it is crucial to follow best practices. Firstly, it is important to build an opt-in email list of interested individuals to ensure a targeted audience. Secondly, personalization is key. Addressing subscribers by their names and tailoring the content to their preferences increases engagement and open rates. Additionally, sending regular and relevant content helps to build trust and maintain interest. It is essential to have effective subject lines that grab attention and encourage recipients to open the email. Furthermore, ensuring mobile optimization is crucial for emails, as mobile devices are often the primary platform for checking emails. Lastly, regularly monitoring and evaluating email marketing campaigns is essential to understand what works best for the audience and adjust strategies accordingly. Following these email marketing best practices will contribute to an effective online strategy and enhance marketing skills, resulting in successful product marketing and increased engagement through online advertising and marketing solutions. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a form of digital marketing that involves collaborating with individuals who have a strong influence on a particular target audience. These influencers usually have a large number of followers on social media platforms, such as Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. By leveraging their popularity and credibility, companies can promote their products or services more effectively. Influencer marketing has gained popularity due to its ability to generate authentic and engaging content that resonates with consumers. It is considered an effective online strategy as it allows brands to connect with their target audience in a more personal and relatable way. Influencer marketing can be a valuable addition to digital marketing strategies, helping to increase brand awareness and drive customer engagement. It requires marketing skills to identify the right influencers for a specific campaign and to manage the collaboration process effectively. With the rise of online advertising and online marketing, influencer marketing has become an integral part of many companies' marketing solutions. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which refers to the practice of improving a website's visibility and traffic through organic search engine results. It involves optimizing the website's content, structure, and overall design to make it more attractive and relevant to search engines. SEO plays a crucial role in effective online marketing strategies as it helps businesses increase their visibility and reach, and ultimately drive organic traffic to their websites. By implementing SEO techniques, businesses can improve their rankings in search engine results pages, which in turn can lead to higher website traffic, increased brand awareness, and ultimately more sales and revenue. SEO is an essential component of marketing services as it aligns with marketing goals such as improving online visibility, increasing website traffic, and enhancing brand visibility. It focuses on attracting targeted organic traffic, which is more likely to convert into leads or customers. Overall, SEO is an integral part of a comprehensive marketing and sales strategy, helping businesses achieve their marketing objectives and drive growth. Social media marketing. A successful marketing strategy involves utilizing various platforms to promote products or services. By offering marketing services through social media channels, companies can engage with potential clients, build brand awareness, and increase their online presence. The marketing and sales teams work together to establish marketing goals, which can include increasing website traffic, generating leads, or growing social media followers. To achieve these goals, the marketing focuses may include creating compelling content, engaging with followers, or running targeted ads. An effective online marketing strategy must consider the target audience, tailor content to their interests, and deliver valuable information. Furthermore, it should include consistent monitoring and analysis to measure the strategy's success and make necessary adjustments. In this fast-paced digital landscape, a well-executed social media marketing strategy can greatly contribute to a company's overall success in reaching its desired marketing outcomes. Video marketing. Video marketing has become an essential aspect of marketing services in today's digital age. Incorporating videos into marketing strategies can be highly advantageous for businesses. Firstly, videos have a higher engagement rate compared to other content formats, thus it is an effective online marketing strategy to captivate the audience. Videos can convey information in a more concise and attention-grabbing way, making it easier for viewers to retain information. Moreover, video marketing allows businesses to create a strong emotional connection with their audience by using visual and auditory elements. This enhances brand exposure and recognition. Additionally, videos can help businesses achieve their marketing goals by increasing website traffic, improving conversion rates, and boosting sales. Video marketing focuses on storytelling, which is an effective way to build brand loyalty and trust, as well as establish a distinct brand identity. Therefore, incorporating videos into marketing and sales strategies can significantly contribute to the success of businesses in today's competitive market. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model that allows individuals to earn a commission for promoting and selling another company's products or services. To maximize success in this field, it is crucial to focus on marketing services and generating sales. In order to do so, marketers must establish clear marketing goals and develop marketing focuses that align with these objectives. This may involve targeting specific customer segments, utilizing various marketing channels, or offering unique value propositions to stand out from competitors. By incorporating proven marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, social media advertising, and email marketing, affiliates can optimize their reach and connect with potential customers. Moreover, building strong relationships and partnerships with reputable brands can further enhance marketing effectiveness and expand the affiliate's earning potential. Overall, by implementing a well-rounded and comprehensive marketing approach, individuals can maximize their affiliate marketing success. Developing your internet marketing strategies plan. Defining your marketing objectives. Marketing objectives are specific, measurable goals that help guide marketing efforts and align them with overall business objectives. These objectives can encompass various areas such as increasing brand awareness, generating leads, increasing website traffic, or improving customer engagement. By clearly defining marketing goals, businesses can prioritize their marketing focuses and allocate resources appropriately. This process also allows for the development of effective marketing strategies to help achieve these goals. Whether it be through traditional marketing channels, such as print advertising or direct mail, or through online marketing services, such as social media marketing or search engine optimization, a well-defined marketing strategy is crucial for businesses to reach their target audiences effectively. With the ever-increasing importance of online marketing, developing an effective online marketing strategy is particularly important. This could involve a combination of tactics, such as creating compelling content, using search engine optimization techniques, and leveraging social media platforms to engage with target customers. By defining marketing objectives, businesses can ensure they are investing their time and resources in the most impactful areas to drive business growth and success. Identifying your target audience. Identifying your target audience is a crucial step in developing an effective online marketing strategy. In order to successfully promote your products or services, you need to know who is most likely to be interested in them. This involves understanding your marketing goals and focuses, as well as your overall marketing and sales objectives. By defining your target audience, you can tailor your marketing messages and strategies to appeal to their specific needs and preferences. This will help you create relevant and compelling content that resonates with your audience, increase engagement, and drive conversions. To identify your target audience, you can conduct market research, analyze customer data, and gather feedback from existing customers. By having a clear understanding of who you are targeting, you can allocate your marketing resources more efficiently and effectively to achieve better results. Choosing the right marketing tactics. Choosing the right marketing tactics is crucial for any business to achieve success. It involves understanding the marketing goals and focusing on the right marketing strategies to help achieve those goals. Marketing services play a key role in this process, as they offer a wide range of tools and techniques to promote a company's products or services. The key is to select the tactics that align with the target audience and resonate with them. It is important to consider both traditional marketing and online marketing strategies to create a comprehensive and effective marketing plan. In today's digital age, an effective online marketing strategy is essential to reach a wider audience and generate leads. This can be achieved through various techniques such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and email marketing. By choosing the right marketing tactics, businesses can effectively promote their products or services, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. Conclusion of online marketing. In conclusion, marketing services play a crucial role in the success of any business. It is the bridge between marketing and sales, aligning the two departments to achieve common goals. Marketing focuses on identifying the target audience, creating brand awareness, and generating leads. To achieve these goals, businesses need to implement effective marketing strategies. An effective online marketing strategy can help businesses reach a wider audience, increase website traffic, and generate more conversions. By utilizing tactics such as search engine optimization, content marketing, and social media marketing, businesses can effectively market their products or services in the digital space. It is essential for businesses to continuously analyze and optimize their marketing strategies to stay ahead in the competitive marketplace. Overall, marketing services are essential for businesses to grow and thrive in today's digital age.